Number 1.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving the truck a classic and cohesive appearance. Under the hood, it has a strong and well-built 327 engine fitted with a great-sounding performance cam, delivering an aggressive and exciting driving experience. The truck is paired with a rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission that includes a stall converter, contributing to its quick acceleration and lively performance. It also comes with power steering and power brakes for improved handling and comfort. Headers combined with a dual Flowmaster exhaust system produce a deep, powerful exhaust note. The truck runs and drives perfectly, making it a very fast, fun, and enjoyable classic pickup to drive.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900. The truck is offered in great condition considering its age and has been well cared for over the years. It has approximately 146,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth and dependable performance in a 2WD configuration. The truck runs and drives properly, making it suitable for daily use or as a classic pickup project. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, both the body and cabin remain in very good condition and show minimal wear for a vehicle of this era. Powered by gasoline, this Chevrolet 1500 represents a solid, well-maintained truck that combines classic styling with reliable V8 power.
Number 3.
2000 Toyota Tacoma, price $5,000. It is powered by a reliable 2.7L engine and has accumulated 280,000 miles. The truck runs and drives well, and the air conditioning works properly, making it a solid daily or work vehicle. It is equipped with an OME suspension, which enhances ride quality and durability. Several components have been recently replaced, including camberg upper ball joints, genuine Toyota lower ball joints, all 3 drive belts, and the alternator, adding to its mechanical reliability. As with a truck of this age, there are a few drawbacks to note. It has a small oil leak, the brake rotors could use replacement, and the oxygen sensors will need to be replaced.
Overall, this Tacoma remains a dependable and rust-free Texas truck with strong fundamentals and room for minor improvements. Number 4.
1987 Dodge D150, price $10,000. It has accumulated approximately 160,000 miles. It is powered by a gasoline-fed 360 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck features a tan exterior and matching tan interior, both of which are original and well preserved. Despite its age, the vehicle shows no signs of rust and runs very strong. Although originally listed as a D150, this truck is equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain consistent with a W150 configuration. It does not come with air conditioning but includes a rear sliding window, a newly installed dual exhaust system, newer tires mounted on 15x 10-inch wheels, and freshly replaced brakes and wheel bearings on all 4 corners. The truck retains most of its original smog equipment, with the exception of the catalytic converters.
Number 5.
1993 GMC Sierra 3500, price $9,500, well-maintained diesel truck showing 106,000 original miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 6.5L turbo diesel engine with a new turbo installed, delivering excellent performance and running exceptionally well. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior and uses diesel fuel. It comes with a clean title in hand, and the 4L80E transmission was previously rebuilt by the prior owner, upgraded with a shift kit and a billet torque converter for improved durability and shifting performance. The driver's side fender and hood have been replaced due to a minor fender bender before the current owner required it. Adding to its character, this old cowboy truck carries unique rodeo engravings on the rear glass, giving it a distinctive and classic personality.
Number 6.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with approximately 173,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean black exterior complemented by a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. A remanufactured engine was professionally installed at around 149,000 miles, and all related paperwork is included for verification. The truck has been upgraded with all new front brakes, ensuring confident stopping power, and a dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers that provides a solid V8 sound. It also comes with a rust-free bed, along with newly installed rocker panels and cab corners, adding to its overall structural integrity and appearance.
Number 7.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, powered by a reliable 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It is a 2WD model and has 129,000 original miles on the odometer.
The truck runs and drives great, showing strong performance and dependable operation both on the road and during daily use.
The engine has recently been gone through, adding confidence in its mechanical condition and overall reliability. The exterior is finished in a clean blue color, matched with a blue interior that maintains a classic and uniform appearance. This Chevrolet 2500 comes with a clean title and has been well cared for, with no rust present on the body or frame. Overall, this truck represents a solid example of a dependable and powerful pickup, making it suitable for work, hauling, or as a classic Chevy truck for an enthusiast.
Number 8.
1988 GMC S15, price $3,400. It has 161,000 original miles and is powered by a dependable 2.8-liter engine mated to an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives excellently, starts easily, and performs smoothly, making it reliable enough to be driven anywhere without concern. Finished in a classic green exterior, this S15 retains its original character and has never been modified or abused. The vehicle comes with its original clean title and has remained unmolested since new. While the driver's seat does have some visible tears due to age, it is still comfortable thanks to the seat cover that has been installed. There is also a small dent on the passenger side door, which is purely cosmetic and does not affect functionality.
Number 9.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500. It has traveled approximately 235,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and features a black exterior paired with a gray interior. It holds a clean title, has never been wrecked, and comes with many brand new parts installed by the original owner. Notably, the front end was swapped from a 1999 Cadillac Escalade, giving the truck a unique appearance that sets it apart from a standard GMC Sierra. Despite the visual difference, it remains a solid and reliable truck. The owner is reluctant to sell it, as it has been well cared for and remains in good condition overall.
Number 10.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,300, well-preserved classic truck showing 175,000 miles and powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in red on both the exterior and interior, this gasoline-powered truck runs, drives, and stops very well, supported by a set of brand new tires. The four-wheel drive system functions properly, and the heater works as it should, making it a solid and dependable 40-year-old vehicle. The cab is equipped with air conditioning, however, the compressor has been removed from the engine. There is a crack on the passenger side of the windshield, but it does not affect the driver's visibility. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 remains a very solid and capable truck for its age.